New laser lipo technology for instant ideal slim body. In-depth interview. Dr. Piya, the #1 surgeon, with the ultimate new technologies of laser liposuction and skin tightening with superior laser energy in ASEAN. Answer all body shape problems in one place at Nida Esth Medical Centre. So what is the perfect ideal body? Constricted waist, slim arms, long and slender legs, well-proportioned body with no belly or sagging skin or excess fat. It's the dream of all who want to have a perfect body. The shortest way to attain that ideal perfect shape at present seems to be, inevitably, liposuction, which is considered a major surgery that requires a lot of surgical expertise. But conventional liposuction still has many limitations, and one of the most prominent problems is that of saggy skin after liposuction. Because when we have a large amount of fat accumulated in our body, our skin tends to expand to accommodate that amount of fat. But when that accumulated fat disappears suddenly, it may cause our skin to sag, or no longer be firm. It becomes wavy, like a deflated balloon, looks uneven and wrinkled, tends to sag, unlike before, when it was inflated and smooth and not as wavy. Another major obstacle to having the ideal figure is sagging skin, which occurs from a variety of reasons, including rapid fat loss, childbirth, post-liposuction, etc. The majority of patients will eventually go for skin-lifting surgery as their first option, whether it be a tummy tuck, lipectomy, or arm lift. The drawback of skin-lifting surgery, however, is it leaves scars. A scar can be small or large, visible or not, depending on the body's response to wound healing, including the expertise and skill of the surgeon as well. Most of the time, scars will be a long mark on the forearm or belly, giving the patient a leaner and firmer figure, but preventing them from feeling comfortable wearing a swimsuit or short sleeves due to obviously larger scars. Both of these issues have limitations that make it difficult for many people to achieve that ideal body shape. But in today's era where technology is more advanced, there is a technology that completely overcomes these limitations of liposuction and other skin-lifting surgeries. So, today, we're going to talk to Dr. Pia, MD, also known as Dr. Piya in the beauty industry. A surgeon whose reputation for preciseness and beauty to order, with the customization technique in each case of his work to suit that individual person's requests, has earned him the trust of celebrities across Thailand and other countries. As a result, many patients are drawn to receive his intensive care. There are more than 1,000 people from various countries. Therefore, Nida Esth Medical Centre was named and guaranteed by regional awards from the votes of those who use that service across all of Asia as the most effective liposuction center by 168 Asia Top 10 for 2 years in a row, 2021 and 2022. And most recently, in the past year, 2022, a prestigious award was given by Hello Thailand editorial team, who had selected Dr. Piya and Nida Esth Medical Centre to be the most trusted cosmetic surgery center, and most recently in the past year, a prestigious award was given by Hello Thailand editorial team, who had selected Dr. Piya and Nida Esth Medical Centre to earn the most trusted cosmetic surgery center and leader in aesthetic laser technology. As a result of the determination and dedication of its personnel in all departments to find the best technology and answer all problems of concerned patients. Dr. Piya, the board-certified plastic surgeon of the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, CEO and co-founder of Nida Esth Medical Centre, a premium laser and cosmetic surgery institute, will speak about the technology of liposuction called Slim Melt by Slim Lipo, with an update on the latest non-surgical skin tightening technology from the United States called J-Plasma by Renuvion. Slim Melt by Slim Lipo, the new, tiny needle-headed laser liposuction technique that overcomes the limitations of skin tightening problems. The most cutting-edge medical innovation in the liposuction center that will be covered today is Slim Melt by Slim Lipo. It is the most well-liked technology that has gained the acceptance of surgeons around the world, including Asia, Europe, and the US, as a technology that can directly melt fat into oil, like melted ice cream, with only a 0.3 millimeter fiber optic laser tip, which can then eliminate more fat than any other liposuction methods, plus leading to smaller wounds and also has flexible properties. As a result, it successfully allows access to various fat tissues without endangering neighboring ones. Therefore, the skin doesn't swell up or bruise following the procedure. Also, the sterile tip is non-reusable, so there aren't any worries about contamination or danger from the procedure. In order to provide the most premium liposuction technology with reduction in swelling and bruising with the most firm skin outcome, Slim Melt by Slim Lipo combines the cutting-edge American technology with liposuction and the technique that employs Dr. Piya's art and expertise. Since there is no requirement for recovery following treatment with Slim Melt, it is regarded as a semi-surgical procedure. Patients can resume normal activities right away. Importantly, the feature of Slim Melt is actually dual, in that, in addition to what I previously described, it can simultaneously tighten the skin and absorb oily fat, solving the issue of drooping skin that is typical when performed with general liposuction. Additionally, the liposuction fiber optic tip is a non-reusable tip, so there's no need to worry about infection, as it won't be used again. This is different from conventional liposuction that uses steel rods, which, if not 100% cleaned properly, it could lead to a very high risk of infection. The laser energy transmitted through this fiber optic tip is the laser emitter, which has a dual wavelength. The specific wavelength to melt fat cells along with tightening sagging skin up to 30%. So, patients can no longer worry about flabby skin or sagging skin after normal liposuction, and with a smaller 0.3 millimeter fiber optic tip, it makes the surgical wound very tiny. Therefore, unlike with traditional liposuction, patients do not have to be concerned about scars. Furthermore, the laser radiation will only directly dissolve extra fat into oil without heating up surrounding tissues. As a result, because there's no blood contamination, more fat can be removed than with traditional liposuction. Thus, when compared to traditional liposuction, patients can have better results. It is well known that conventional liposuction often leaves scars and rough skin, but with Slim Melt by Slim Lipo technology, it is superior to general liposuction with the concept of 5S: slimmer, smoother, safer, smaller wounds, and single treatment. Slimmer compared to other liposuction methods because it melts fat into oil and is ready to be sucked out immediately with no risk of blood contamination. Smoother because it has a dual laser system, dissolving the fat and tightening the skin at the same time. It prevents wavy skin, which is common after other liposuction methods. Safer. The sterilized laser tips that are disposable after one usage per person are much safer and free from infection. Smaller wounds. The incision is much smaller because it's a liposuction with only a needle of 0.3 millimeters. And it's a single treatment. It only needs to be performed once, avoiding wasting money and spending too much time. Tighten the skin with the power of plasma energy. Increase the firmness to all over the body. Another technology for obtaining an ideal facial and body shape that we can't forget to mention is Body Lock Younger by J Plasma Plus under Renuvium, which is the latest technology that combines two advanced energy waves that can replace up to 80% of surgical tightening procedures. It is the first time in Thailand to revolutionize traditional skin tightening treatments. Say goodbye to sagging skin problems and be ready to restore firmness and youth to the skin with results that are equivalent to 80% of surgical tightening procedures, using APY-XTM's medical proprietary helium plasma energy, thereby providing immediate results. It doesn't hurt and doesn't require a long period of recovery. By integrating all three types of energy, Cool Coag TM, plasma helium energy, and monopolar energy, the most recent new technology handpiece, J Plasma Precise Flex, functions to emit all three types of energy for youthful, smooth, and firm results. Feel the difference immediately at the very beginning. The handpiece is likewise very small. As a result, there's a much lower chance for scarring and keloids because the surgical wound is so small. It measures only 4 to 5 millimeters. It has been certified by the US FDA that Body Lock Younger by J Plasma Plus under Renuvium can directly tighten sagging skin for a permanent skin lift by combining cooling helium plasma energy with radio frequency energy to create a heat of about 85 degrees Celsius, which is the heat level that causes the tissues under the skin to tighten and contract. Additionally, after the procedure, the helium plasma energy can directly stimulate the formation of collagen under the skin, giving the skin additional firmness and a younger, lasting, youthful appearance. For those who are interested in finding the greatest option to achieve the ideal face and body of your dreams, you are more welcome to come in for a more thorough private consultation with Dr. Piya in order to co-design your future physique with him. That first crucial phase in the laser fat removal method is body simulation design by Vectra 3D, which involves designing the dimensions of your body to stimulate the virtual 3D image before the fat is removed by laser energy. Vectra 3D is also the only technology available in Southeast Asia with this exclusivity. Patients will experience as though they're looking through time to observe the shape before making their choice. Vectra 3D's body simulation design is capable of many things: assessing the problem and physical condition of the patient, analyzing the external body shape, simulating images for the overall treatment plan, measuring proportions and choosing the right treatment method, specifying the amount of fat that can be removed, and, most importantly, comparing before and after photos as well as pre-treatment simulated images for satisfactory results. Also, robo-body scanning analysis technology has been incorporated as a new therapy measure to ensure the ideal results. This technology analyzes the interior of the body and determines the total body composition, including body fat percentage, BMI or body mass index, body weight condition, muscle condition, standard weight measurement, basal metabolic rate or BMR, and the total daily energy expenditure or TDE. If you're interested, you can contact them for more information at 02-252-2121 or their line official account at Nida Esth. They also have WhatsApp +66 859 665 333. You can also follow the news and the various privileges of Nida Esth Medical Centre at Instagram on Nida Esth Centre, Facebook, Dr. Nida Esth, TikTok at Nida_Esth, and on YouTube under the channel name Nida Esth Medical Centre channel.